Now we want to decrease at the end of the row. We are going to work up to the last 2 pairs. And we need to, again, change the places of the purl stitch and the knit stitch. So let's rearrange the order. We're going to slip the first knit stitch and then use a marker to take the purl stitch to the back. Take the knit stitch with your right needle and take the purl stitch from the marker and place it on your left hand needle. Another way to do it is to bring the right needle from the front, insert it into the knit stitch, hold the base of both stitches and take your left needle out and into just the first purl stitch, and then you can place the knit stitch back on your left hand needle and the first knit stitch. So now we have both pairs knit stitch first and then both pairs purl stitch second. Next step, we want to knit both knit stitches together using the light color or the color that is indicated in the chart. And you can see that we have a decrease leaning to the right and the light color is covering the dark color, which is what we want at the edge. Now for the twin stitch, we want to slip the purl stitch, first purl stitch onto the right needle, and then we want to lift the stitch that is underneath the stitch that's on our left hand needle, and we're going to insert the right needle into the stitch below from front to back or from right to left, just one stitch, and bring it up to the left needle. We're going to slip the purl stitch back to the left needle. I'm going to bring both yarns to the front and I want to insert my right needle through the back loop of both the lifted stitch and the purl stitch. I'm gonna hold the first stitch with my thumb so I can really make a gap between them, and I'm going to come in between the stitches, between the first stitch and the lifted stitch, and then take my needle, just lean my needle to the right until it gets into the stitches. Now I'm going to take the dark color and purl them together, and again lean to the left with your needle to come out of the stitches and work them together. And we're going to slip the last purl stitch to the right hand needle, and we end up with the twin purl stitch. Now we're turning to work the wrong side, and our stitch, the twin stitches, are right here at the beginning, and we want to work them together to the back loop. So we're going to start the first row with insert the right needle into the back loop of both stitches, the twin stitch, and we're going to work them with our dark color. And then bring the yarn to the front, insert the needle to the purl stitch, and twist the yarns all over new, the dark over the light, and work the purl stitch with the light color. Just pull everything tight, and you can see that we have a nice decrease here and a nice decrease here, and it's looking good.